National Hero Brigadier General retired Pandasekwa Mjeri will be buried at the National Heroes Acre on Monday, a cabinet minister said yesterday. Sarabinda mashoko kubuda panguva ino chinzi National Hero Mjeri burial to be held on Monday. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timuna mnamubudanyo kwa mchizi President Mnangagwa will preside over the proceedings. In an interview, Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage Minister Kazimbe Kazembe confirmed the development. Burial of the National Hero Brigadier General retired Pandasekwa Mjeri set for Monday, with President Mnangagwa expected to preside over the proceedings, he said. In an interview, Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage Minister Kazimbe Kazembe confirmed the development. The body will be airlifted from Manyame Air Base tomorrow, meaning today, to his homestead in Berengwa, and is expected back on Sunday afternoon. Brigadier General Mjeri, whose Chimurenga name was Ketan Kanye, died on Tuesday at a Harare medical facility after a long illness. He was 75. Brigadier General Mjeri was declared a national hero on Thursday evening. Earlier on Thursday, a funeral parade was held in his honor at Charles Gumbo Barracks in Harare. The commander of the Zimbabwe National Army, ZNA Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu, implored Zimbabweans to defend the country's independence and sovereignty at all costs as a way of paving homage to illustrious sons and daughters of the soil such as Brigadier General Mjeri. As we pay our last respects to the late gallant son of the soil, we must not forget the sacrifices he and other heroes and heroines made for the freedom of our motherland, Zimbabwe, said Lieutenant General Matutu at the funeral parade. We must defend what they stood and fought for, Zimbabwe's independence and sovereignty at all costs. Brigadier General Mjeri belonged to the pioneering generation of military officers who laid the foundation of the modern ZNA, added Lieutenant General Matatu. General Mjeri was among the first crop of senior and general officers in the ZNA. The senior and general officers managed the integration process at the formation of the ZNA, and while it was still in the infancy, deployed and commanded its formations during operation in Mozambique to safeguard our strategic lifeline through that country. Thomas Karubuda Pangwa Inoy. Modiza mafunguro enyi modi kulipa msoro about this national hero burial ichaitiwa on Monday. Pinagu message medu za mafunguro enyi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.